pelikula, ang gagaling ng mga actor.
Script, ang ganda. Tapos syempre yung acting.
Napakaganda. Sobrang amazing niya.
Any comment regarding this movie? Sobra. Wow. As in, favorite.
Speechless ako. I wasn't expecting such a dramatic movie.
Galing ni Eugene Domingo.
Kasi lahat si Gladys Reyes na pangusay. Lahat walang tapon.
I really love the story, the friendship.
Nakakaantig ng damdamin. Hindi ko maiwasang medyo mabasa-basa ang mata ko pagkatapos ng pelikula.
Everything was beautifully shot. The cinematography was great. The actors were amazing. I'm very, very proud to have a film like this representing us worldwide.
This is the second outstanding movie I've seen this year na tinatalakay yung martial law. Yung isa yung kay Lav Diaz, ito pangalawa, takes up the evils of martial law in the provinces.
Magulgul ako. Matindi ang tama sa akin bilang batang 70s at naging aktivista nung panahon na yon.
Napanood nyo naman, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda.
So many great moments in the film.
Magiging ganun kahirap gumawa ng ganito kagandang pelikula. I'm more than willing to do it over and over again.
Naiiyak ako, pinipigilan ko lang kanina.
Ako rin hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman ko, hindi ko ma-explain. Basta nung tapos na siya, bigla na lang ako naiiyak. Yun lang.
Oo,
sobrang sarap, di ba?
Hindi ko na-expect ganito kaganda na it's well written, well directed.
It's parang sobrang entertaining from start to end. No boring moment.
It's mind-blowing as much as I want to say.